Racing, looking for a blistering speed at the start of the race, and there's the speed I'm talking about, courtesy of Skyway. Malaya comes next, hook shot, and on the outside comes Labheta, then followed by Balkan Lady. Down on the inside is Hot and Spicy, Wild Wild West secondless, while Breaking Band is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with the fast is stepping Skyway on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 3 lengths lead. Malaya in second, running by the rail is Hot and Spicy. Hookshot comes next, Love Hate Balkan Lady. Breaking Bad now secondless, while Wild Wild West now racing in less. Last 400 meters of the race, really Skyway is still in control by about 4 lengths, running by the rail is Hot and Spicy. Malaya is on the outside. Hookshot, Love Hate comes next as they swing to home. Love is Skyway leads by about 4 lengths. Hot and Spicy. Malaya is on the outside. Hookshot, last 50 meters from start to finish. It's Skyway second. Hot and Spicy. Malaya. Hookshot.
Tingnan natin, prueba ni Skyway. Yan. 119.8.